Over the years, the airshow has seen increased global participation from leading aerospace companies, defense contractors, and aviation experts. It has become a key meeting point for industry stakeholders to showcase their latest products, discuss innovations, and foster collaborations. In addition, the Singapore Airshow encompasses both commercial and military aviation aspects. It features static aircraft displays, aerobatic performances, and conferences covering various topics such as aircraft technology, space exploration, and defense strategies.